Table 8.
Would you prefer to eat it hot or cold?
It's hot.
Well, the speed you're going, it'll be served cold. Now, come on.
16, 3 minutes.
And then it'll be put 17 in, and once you've done them, take 17 and come and help dress.
Thank you.
And then go back and get them, OK?
Yes, Marco.
For mains, my focus is on these croquettes, getting them cooked as quickly as possible, and then helping Ben plate up.
Hayley, can you get some plates?
I just need a wee bit more spinach.
That's it.
Spinach, 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 spinach. More spinach. Yeah, I'm cooking. I've got to 8. Oh, good lady. No.
I'm so worried that the side components to this dish are going to go cold. Hot veal, cold mushrooms. Delicious.
Whoa.
How long? 1 minute, 2 minutes?
1 minute.
Less.
Then it just goes crazy.
Come on. We don't want the place to go cold.
Just got to give that veal another minute. Sorry, girls. That was that 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
The beef cheeks are cooked perfectly. All of them are really tender and gelatinous, so yeah, really happy, really relieved.
The veal will be taken out, rested, and then I cut it, put it on the plate, and Marco's actually helping me with the saucing.
Thank you, Marco.
I was really happy with the way that it went.
Table 8 now, yes, table 8.
Table 8.
Would you prefer to eat it hot or cold?
It's hot.
Well, the speed you're going, it'll be served cold. Now, come on.
I suddenly realized that we should have a basil oil element.
I need a wee bit more spinach.
On the menu, basil oil was for the main. And then she realized that she used it for the entree service. So we have no basil oil.
Fingers crossed no one notices. Judges might notice. Say the judges will notice.
Table 1, table 1, table 1.
It's really heartbreaking to see these mains go out without my sauce on them. Marco's swamping the plates with sauce and is a little bit sort of rough, I guess. He doesn't seem to care what the plates look like. He's just throwing them out.
Guys, we're so close to catching up, right? We're going to smash this.
8 more, please.
Red team, we've got a system going. We're really, really working well.
If you could do 12, then you've caught up. Can you do 12?
Yeah, we're going to smash
Do
it.
12. Straight away down the table.
Okay, good. Sounds good.
Come on, I want 5. I want 5. Don't you wish you'd put a salad on now? Hey, don't you wish you'd done a salad?
Come on.
Come on. Richard, come here.
Yes, Marco.
Come on.
Marco's screaming at me. I've got Glenda yelling out from the back, how long on the veal, and the other team starting to catch up to us.
Come on, Richard, if you want to win. If you want to win, push to the end.
So I'm going like crazy.
How long for my veal? How long for my veal? How long for my veal? Have you got any in the oven? Any in the
No,
oven?
Marco.
You're slowing down, then
Yes,
you're
Marco,
slowing down.
sorry.
Get more in, get more in, get more in.
It's all go. We're pumping out 17 plates at a time just to try and catch up to the blue team. We're definitely under the pump.
6 plates, quickly. Come on, Carl, 4 of yours, come on. Out of the way, you, come on.
Here comes Marco shouting at you, it's like, where's my order, where's my veal? So he's just like,
9 croquettes. 9 croquettes.
Yes, Marco.
We start to catch up, and with 18 plates to go, Marco says if we can bash this out, we're going to be in front. And it's been a huge effort in these mains, but we're going to get there.
1 minute away, Marco.
1 minute's too long.
Okay, 45 seconds, Marco.
Come on.
Those guys have got it covered. They've got all their rolls that they need to be doing, and I need to get in there getting those rice puddings warmed. And so they're coming out nice and hot, because I can tell you now that Marco will probably be on my ass going, where's that dessert?
More spinach.
Okay, next batch.
Leo, more spinach. There's not a lot of spinach on there, Lily.
spinach runs out. It's like, I told you it's like portioning. Plan B, we need to put greens in there.
We haven't written spinach on the menu.
So we're just going to use some of the peas as well that we had left over.
There for the judges, there for the judges. Just take them away.
This could definitely kill us.
So, blue team, their main, veal with a trio of mushrooms. And I think the menu said basil.
Yeah, it did.
Not sure where that is. I can't see any basil, but there was some basil oil on the salmon. I'm wondering if they did a bit of a switcheroo.
Whoops. All I can do is apologise. I don't know how it happened. It just happened.
But that looks a beautiful dish too, doesn't it? It looks hearty, it looks
Bistro.
earthy, it looks very bistro, served in a bowl. What are your thoughts, Marco?
I'm loving the bleeding of the cream and the jus
Into the
and
sauce.
it's making me salivate. The mushrooms, they look gorgeous.
Has it got an English twist? I guess the peas, is it?
Not happy at all that the judges got the peas instead of the spinach. I am hoping that it is okay.
Let's try it. You think Marco had a hand in that gravy?
That gravy is delicious.
That's pretty good, isn't
It's
it?
delicious. The balance of the mushrooms with that perfect cooked veal, you got that beautiful jus. Just everything is working so gorgeously together.
Yeah, I think the veal's beautifully cooked. I've sealed the outside and then just run it through the oven and cut it in half, which is a really nice way of presenting it. Again, it's really good bistro food. They did forget the basil.
Yeah, true.
Then 4 plates to 7. Just give me one more. Ready for pudding now. Hold on, hold on, hold on. There you go. Got that in the end, didn't we, Ben?
We did. We did.
We firmly put the foot down when it came to mains, and we've caught up. I'm really happy with how we're operating.
Get ready for puddings, get ready for puddings. Clean down and get ready for puddings. Send them, send them, send them.
I have already started the prep for the dessert. I have all of the 50 glasses laid out, and I've started putting elements down already.
Oh, get your schnoz in there.
My God.
Oh, God, it smells good, doesn't it?
So, mains from the red team. We've got braised beef cheeks, horseradish croquette, mushy peas, beautiful gravy. That is like, I don't know.
That's modern bistro,
Isn't
isn't it?
Modern bistro. That's a farmer's wet dream. That is, you know, look at it. It's very English.
Like, isn't it funny when you have a dish put down like this in front of you, how you start salivating? I mean, it just screams eat me, doesn't it? The smell, the look.
I just love the way that green puree just sort of sets everything apart.
Enough talk. Oh, look at that sticky, sticky, sticky cheek. It's as good a beef cheek that you'd eat anywhere in the world, I believe.
It's delicious.
Beautifully cooked, lots of flavour. I mean, if you look at this, you can take a spoon, yeah? And you can just crush. That's how tender it is. Look at how beautiful and gelatinous that is. All the fibres are broken down. Just extraordinary.
Yeah.
For me, it's just 10 out of 10 in every way. You know, nailing the brief, understanding the brief, presentation, flavour. It is bang on. I've nailed it.
The old red team has crawled their way back into it.
These guys have just smashed up the course and have delivered a knockout. I really hope that Marco feels good about what's going on in his kitchen.